Digital transformation has brought numerous social, cultural, and economic advantages, yet these benefits are not universally experienced. Digital inclusion centers on the idea that everyone should have the opportunity to fully engage with digital technologies and benefit from their positive impacts while also avoiding potential risks. Initially, when the internet became a key communication tool in the 1990s and early 2000s, digital inclusion was primarily viewed through the lens of internet access. Households without a connection or with limited connectivity were identified as being on the wrong side of the digital divide. Yet, access alone does not guarantee digital inclusion. Effective participation also requires digital skills and knowledge, leading researchers to identify a second-level digital divide that separates those who know how to use digital tools effectively from those who do not. Cost is another significant barrier, encompassing expenses not only for data but also for essential devices. Policymakers and researchers have focused on a third-level digital divide, which examines how offline socio-economic inequalities are mirrored and intensified by varying levels of digital access and engagement. So, digital inclusion refers to the measures taken to ensure that all individuals and communities, especially those most disadvantaged, have access to and can effectively use information and communication technologies. It includes 5 key elements: affordable, reliable broadband internet, suitable internet-enabled devices, access to digital literacy training, quality technical support, and user-focused applications and online content that encourage self-sufficiency, participation, and collaboration. Digital inclusion requires policies that are rooted in human rights, take an intersectional approach, and involve all parts of society. Multi-stakeholder actions are essential as they consider the diverse barriers individuals face when accessing and using digital technologies. Just as human rights must be upheld offline, they should also be protected and respected online, ensuring that no one is left behind. Policies must address individual-specific needs, aiming to reduce structural inequalities and improve well-being for all. Achieving true digital inclusion means ensuring that everyone has equal opportunities online, with a particular focus on not leaving marginalized communities behind. For anyone seeking to connect, we must ensure the availability and affordability of the internet, digital devices, platforms, and relevant content. This also includes providing access to critical digital skills and education, enabling safe, discrimination-free online spaces where individuals can participate equitably. Inclusivity should extend to the design, development, testing, and assessment of digital tools and policies, with diverse groups involved at every stage to create a truly accessible digital world. Ensuring equal access to digital resources is essential for bridging the digital divide, promoting inclusion, and empowering all individuals to fully participate in the digital world.